Hello, today I show you how to manage keys, values with placeholders and different key types. We starting with the new key. I push on a plus button for the key and give a new name. I give a name, for example, text. We write on the text here and write in English text on and English and then I write English text, and for German I write Deutscher text. So the next step, we create a new text or key with placeholder text, and then behind this placeholder I write English, and now I start a placeholder with curly brace, and then the name for the placeholder. You can variably give a name, but I write placeholder in this field, and then English placeholder text, and for the German the same, Deutscher curly brace placeholder, and then text. Now we can create a new key with different type. It's not a text type, it's only we select an image, and you can see the symbol changed to image symbol, and you give here the name for the key. I write image, and now you can write a path to your image from your localization flow folder, or you can drag and drop your files from hierarchy. I do this image file, and I take this image file and put it into this field. So, and the same for German. I take this image and put it into German field. Now is everything okay? And the same work for other key types. Image, now I select an audio and give a new name, for example audio, and select English audio and put this file to this field, and German audio put to this field. And the last one is a video file, and then put video to this field, onto the next one. So after this work, you are ready to start to using these keys.